Good morning. It's a clear start to our day today, so we are enjoying a pretty sunrise this morning. Starting to see those colors show up on that eastern horizon as we're getting ready to start the day today. Now, if you're heading out to take this in, we are going to need those extra layers this morning with temperatures that have dipped with the clear skies with some light wind. Our temperatures have dropped down into the single digits in spots. We're at 6 degrees in Fargo. It's 8 in Grand Forks, only 2 in Park Rapids, and 3 right now in Fosston. Now, in contrast, it's a lot milder over into Langdon and Devil's Lake. We're at 18 and 19 degrees there, and that's because we've had some stronger winds kick in. Our temperatures have actually been rising in that area because that wind is coming in out of the south or southwest. So starting to bring in some warmer air into the valley, and that will quickly cause us to recover from these colder temperatures that we've dipped down to yet again this morning. Some spots off to the east, the wind hasn't been that strong, so we're not really getting the help from that, bringing in that warmer air, and that's why we're colder in that area. Factoring in even just a little wind, we've got wind chills down into the single digits below 0. It's 5 below in Grand Forks, 6 below in Fargo, and 8 below, our coldest wind chill in Fosston and in Park Rapids this morning. But again, we're going to make a quick recovery. So skies are pretty clear right now. We just saw that on our sky cam. There are some places where we're going to see or maybe seeing some clouds dropping in here today. Overall, though, looking really good, not only in the valley, but across the tri-state area here to start off our day. Checking out your hour-by-hour planner. Heading into the rest of your morning hours, we're going to watch those numbers climb. And as we head into the noon hour, we're already into the upper 30s at that point down in the southwest, over by Jamestown. Over to the east into the 20s, and in between a transition zone of 20s to low 30s at that point. More clouds moving in, more wind out of the southwest, gusting into the 20s. And then heading into this afternoon, finally climbing above freezing for the first time this work week. 35 your high in Fargo, 34 in Grand Forks. There may be a couple of flurries underneath some of these clouds that pass by, but overall we're looking at a quieter day and a warmer day today with just a little bit of that breeze. Heading into the 7 o'clock hour, temperatures stay mild. We're looking at some 20s to low 30s into the late night hours for tonight. We'll take a look at your Friday forecast and ahead to the weekend right after this.
Always the largest selection of diamonds, gems, and colored stone jewelry. A cutting-edge Gallery of Jewelry, 4507 33rd Avenue South, Fargo.
So conditions today warming up, finally above freezing, 35. Tomorrow we'll see similar temperatures with a little bit more wind. And then Saturday and into Sunday back to near 40 degrees or right at 40. We'll also introduce some unsettled weather for the rest of the forecast here in your 7-day planner. A couple of passing light events, but still we're looking at the potential for a little rain snow mix Saturday and the second half of the day and early Sunday, and again to start next week. That's something to watch out for because even a little bit of ice can cause some trouble. And now for a look at traffic, here's Devin Fry with the Valley Today's traffic on the move.